Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 29, 2022. Hard Sudoku. Column B, we have 108. So 108 can't come these cells. It will come in another 3 cells. 8th row or 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 8 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, 7th row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fifth grade. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 1. Column G also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Second row, fourth row, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 6. 8th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 8th row, column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Second grade. We already got 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Fourth row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row, third row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the cells. we will confirm later. Column C, column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column E, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 9. 5th grade. On 7th row, we already have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 8th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column C, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 3rd row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column I, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 8th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 9th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 17 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 8th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of the cells. 5th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is also here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column I, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column I, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.